Here you can see the ice cubes forming, and here's what the ice cubes look like. As they form, the tray drops and pushes them into your little basket. Overall, nice ice maker. Hello my friends, today we are reviewing this ice maker. Comes with the manual, it comes nice and protected during shipping. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's got a plastic outer shell by the feel of it. Takes a 3-prong outlet. You guys can see the back inside a little bit. Of course, make sure you take off all of the tape, and you might want to do it slow so it doesn't leave any residue. So all the pieces of tape all around remove. Your nice transparent lid. Again, more tape's going to be inside here. Do not forget to remove any of the tape. Nice little ice scooper that they provide you with. Here's your basket. This is where the ice is going to fall in. Make sure there's no tape down inside. You're going to see a max line right here. Do not put water past this line. So I recommend putting it a little bit under that line. Once you put the water under that line, put your basket in, close it up, and you're ready to go. Now you're going to have ice full, add water, ice making. Once you put water in here, you can press the power button. I do need to point out that your ice cubes are going to have a weird taste for the first couple rounds. There you can see it's just doing its thing. So what I recommend doing is running a lot of water through here. Get, I would say, maybe 3 baskets full of ice. Put it in your sink. And then taste the 4th basket of ice. Taste it. See how it tastes. Because it's just, you know, new unit, you know, the water goes through the whole unit and gets, you know, stuff from factory. So I recommend just running 3 baskets, at least 3 baskets worth of ice before you actually start consuming ice. Here you can hear how loud the unit is or how quiet. With this specific unit, it's pretty cool. You can actually see the ice cubes forming. So back in here, the ice cubes are going to form, and you can actually see them form once they start forming. Here you can see the ice cubes forming, and here's what the ice cubes look like. As they form, the tray drops and pushes them into your little basket. Overall, nice ice maker.